Ilibot mo muna ako dito para ma-investigate mo yung presyo. Ay, grabe, hanggang doon pala to. So, libot po tayo. Yung apple, oh, iba yung kulay. Pasok po tayo dito. So, ito pa po yung umpisa pa lang sa market po. Papasok pa talaga tayo doon. Grabe, sobrang daming tao. Yung kamuti dito, ang daming kamuti. Merong maliliit. Ito yung by kilos niya, oh. Tigante naman ito na kamuti. Ito yung kulay orange. Meron din ditong talong. Actually, punta po tayo sa kabila. Ito yung hinahanap ko, yung kulay purple. Yung kilo is $5.99. Ito yung okra. Parang hindi masyadong maganda na yung ano niya. Grabe, ang lalaki ng beans. Flat beans. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng flat beans. Ito yung titigman ko.
I really don't know sign language because this is my first time learning sign language. This is probably day one of learning sign language, so I really don't know much. So I'm just gonna be sign language and at the same time talking. And this is my first time doing sign language, and yeah, I want to do really sign language because I love to learn. I would love to learn sign language for deaf people. For all deaf people watch this video, please, if you're not deaf, it's okay. If you're not deaf and learning how to sign language, this is not the video, but you can still watch. My name is
Tikman natin ito. Kung magandang mangga na to.
Carla.
Meron tayo ditong mangga, papaya,
please subscribe to my channel because this is my first video of learning sign language. This is how you do say I love you.
Meron ditong maganda yung quality ng sweet potato pero mas mahal, $8.50. Is this good, honey? Hindi pa ako nakatikim